Let me be real with you today. Life is always going to be easy. There will be days when you feel tired, days when nothing seems to be working, and days when you want to quit. But can I tell you something? The fact that you are still here, still trying, still pushing forward means you're stronger than you think. Motivation does not come from waiting for things to get better. Motivation comes from taking one small step, even when everything feels impossible. So, what to do when life gets hard? Number one, remind yourself why you started. Go back to your reason. That reason is your for. And two, stop comparing your journey to others. Your path is different. Your timing is different. Trust your process, okay? And three, celebrate small wins. Did you wake up today? That is a win. Did you keep despite the pain? That is a win. And four, surround yourself with people who believe in you. Energy is contagious. Choose yours wisely. And five, talk to God. Talk to God. Prayer is not weakness, it is greatest strength. Life may be hard right now, but hard does not mean impossible. You have survived every difficult days so far, and you will survive this one too. So, if this bless you today, please like this video, subscribe to this channel, and share it with someone who needs to hear it. My name is Rukayat, and I am here to remind you that you were born to inspire. Keep going. Your breakthrough is closer than you think.